Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Discover Your Own Urja in the series Happiness. So, today I'm going to talk about circular thoughts. And to explain this, I have a beautiful theory, the drama triangle. Because mind is all drama. So, let's see what the drama triangle is all about. So, as you all know, the triangle has three corners. So, on one corner is the perpetrator, one corner is the victim, and one corner is the rescuer. Before that, I would like to talk about conversation. So, when we talk with each other, it is like a transaction. So, I talk to you and you talk back to me, it's a transaction. But when there are three people involved, it becomes a triangle. So to explain this, I have a fictitious example. So, supposing, this is a very common example, early in the morning, Mama is getting the tiffin ready, Mama is waking up this child who's like 8-10 years old, and she is all overwhelmed. Okay. In the overwhelm today, she is a little more vulnerable, and so she is getting a little angry with her son, 8 to 10-year-old son, and she is angrily waking him up. So basically, it is a transaction between the mother and the son. Unpleasant transaction. As I said, transactions can be between two people. So this is an unpleasant transaction. So maybe the mother is the perpetrator and the child is the victim. And it's between the two of them. Now suddenly a third person enters inside, the father, as a rescuer. Rescuer generally enters to rescue the victim. So the rescuer starts getting angry at the perpetrator, who's the mother, and starts saying that is it not okay if he does not have a bath? Is it not okay if he does not have his milk? And why do you have to shout? And why do you have to call him names? And so, all of a sudden, the rescuer turns into a perpetrator to the perpetrator, and the perpetrator becomes the victim, and the victim, who was the kid, is now looking at his parents. He's a bystander. Okay? So they just changed places. Now, just because he is a bystander and there's a third person which enters inside, and maybe that is a mother-in-law or the grandmother of this child. So, as soon as she comes inside, she starts complaining to her son, who came in as a rescuer, that she does the same thing when he comes back from school, and she's after him, and this is not done, and you can't talk so harshly and rudely, XYZ, XYZ. So now, the mother-in-law who entered in the place of the bystander becomes the perpetrator. The perpetrator who had turned victim remains the victim, and the father of the child and the son of the mother-in-law and the husband has a choice either to rescue his wife or to rescue his mother. If he rescues his mother, then he becomes perpetrator to the wife. If he rescues the wife, then he becomes the perpetrator to a mother. So basically, if you look at it, we are not going anywhere. We are just going round and round, round and round, round and round with no solutions whatsoever. No solutions at all. I'm sure this happens in every household. Now, what is the way out? What do we do? Lesson number 1. Not to enter into anybody's triangle. So, Carl Jung says, not my monkey, not my circus. Better not to enter into anybody's triangle. Solution number 2. By chance, if somebody has pulled you into a triangle, surely you have come in as a rescuer, because there is always a victim and a perpetrator, as we saw in the beginning. Now, if you are a rescuer, you cannot leave the triangle because you have the responsibility to rescue people. If you are a victim, you have to be a victim, right? So the only place that you can leave this triangle is by being a perpetrator. So how? So even if you enter as a rescuer, you can become a perpetrator by saying, I'm so sorry, but I won't be able to help any of you all, and please let me know. This is the best way, because if you enter the triangle, you are surely going to hurt one out of the two, and that saves you from any conflicts that happen later. Now, there is another triangle that I would like to talk about, and generally this triangle leads to that triangle. So watch out for my next video for the next triangle. Bye for now.